4.5 pounds of wings, or 8.5 pounds of wings
For the Super Bowl.
for the Super Bowl. We're gonna smoke them for about an hour and a half to 2 hours with a 15-minute finish on the grill.
And we'll check back in shortly.
We'll check back in shortly. Right now, I'm just gonna snip them up because nobody wants giant wings like this that look ridiculous. So, what you want to do is you want to find a little joint, snip just like that. Bam. We'll check back in. All right. After they're cut up, season them with Kinder's The Blend, which is just salt, pepper, and garlic, finely tuned. And then get them all organized. Gonna have to season the other side, and then we just throw them on the smoker at 250. Actually, scratch that. 225 for 2 hours. All right, and now we will place our wings into the smoker. Nice and gentle. They gave their lives to be in our stomach. You see, nice and seasoned. We're not going to do anything else to them. Let that nice smoky flavor come through. Yeah. Trust me, we're going to utilize all the space in the smoker. I got a whole nother tray I got to put in here. Look at that, delish. All right, we'll catch you as soon as we start. Here we go, we're gonna toss them on the grill just like this. Put them around and just let them go and crisp up. There we go. We'll see you in 15 minutes, babe. All right, y'all. Here's the finished product. Smoked wings on the smoker, finished on the grill. Bon appetit. Like 15 different versions of my voice. Sure, yeah.